Here I am at the start of the Arrowtown Trail. So head to Gibbston and come back. It's about 20 k's that way, 20 k's return, 40k day. Follows this river called the Arrow River. No motorbikes. Down to the bungee bridge, so we'll have a look at that. Hopefully it's mostly flat to downhill, I think. Enjoy the ride. Come and play us. River on the left. All right, we're going to cross over our first bridge of 5, I believe. So on the other side, Arrow River is on our right. Across the first bridge. Very busy trail, at least to start with. Dog walkers, stay walkers. Wow, 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 this is living up to its great ride status. Got the big mountain in front. There's a little bit of snow on it. Nearly right at the top. Crossing over Swain Bridge. It's coming left. Alright, it's a bit of a bridge. Southern Discoveries Bridge. It's pretty cool. So we'll turn right here. We're on a bit of bitumen in the country farmland. bungee jump. Let's have a go. Alright, that's the finish of the Arrow River Trail onto the Gibbston Valley of Vines, Gibbston River Trail. We just started the Gibbston River Trail. It's got the wineries on the left, main road on the right. Narrow sections is up and down here. Well, I'm going to end the Gibbston River Trail here and head back. So it's 19.8 to Arrowtown, 6.1 to the Kawawal Bungee Bridge, and I've got a headwind going back.